Antec RGB ATX mid-tower case. I was gonna go with the height case that has the nice screen, like the nice LED screen, but I kind of opted out for it because that one actually didn't come with fans, so I would have to purchase fans on top of that for the power supply.
Okay, all right. Fans are not the worst thing in the world to install. Okay.
If you got a problem, just give me a ring. I'll fix it with my speed. You get the and hero guarantee, the one you can trust. With heavy drops in it, and heroes in the house, and we don't quit.
Hey, and Hero here. And yeah, my first time through, I was muted because OBS loves to change the default, mic. But here we are. We're going to be watching Hazumi build a PC. They somewhat know what they're doing so far. I've only watched a minute in, so I'll thank you, Vape, for telling me that I was muted.
Today, we are going to be building my brand new PC. I have had my current PC since 2016. So
2016, perfectly fine. If you're just casually gaming, you probably had, you've either had a Ryzen 7 1700X or 1800X, or a i7 7700K or 8700K at the time. And GPU-wise, probably a 1080 Ti. That combo still works fine for most games. Probably not in the next, give it 2 year or two though. So an upgrade now is a good time to upgrade.
Today we are scrubbing everything for all these brand new parts, which I will go over right now. We have an AMD Ryzen 9 7900X.
Good choice.
12-core processor.
Hi,
I
Lizzie.
think my current one is 8 cores. And then the Corsair iQ Link liquid CPU cooler. I have never used a CPU cooler before, but
She probably slipped. Probably meaning I've never used an liquid CPU cooler in AIO, honestly. For the most part, these days a good tower cooler gets the job done with less headaches going into it. You want most part for AIO for aesthetics, or the flex for the most part.
I just love how it looks. Yeah, I could put exactly. I could put myself. We also have the MSI 670E Gaming Plus.
Top of the line, perfectly fine. And thank you for following, Lizzie. And the sound effects probably gonna go through in the next couple seconds because it's slow as fuck. But this motherboard, great.
Plus Wi-Fi ATX AM5 motherboard, which is good, so I don't need a Wi-Fi card.
You don't need a Wi-Fi card in the first place.
This is 232 gigabytes, so this is 64 total. I've never had 64 total. I think I've only had 32 is what I had.
No, 32 is fine, actually. I probably need 64. You know why? Because I open 200 Google Chrome tabs. I never close them.
For my new OS, I got this Crucial P3 4TB drive. We also have the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super. I currently have a
4070 Ti Super for a modern GPU. Its price is acceptable-ish. It's fine. But, she had a 3070 Ti, and it's not the biggest jump. She should have waited. If she wanted to upgrade, give it a month or two, because both AMD, actually all three, Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA are releasing new things, right? That would have been a bigger jump if you skip a generation than going up the next generation.
3070 Ti. So this is a pretty, nice upgrade. 5090, I'm not getting that.
Yeah, let's give it $2,000 card.
Yeah, I swear, dude. Like,
The Antec RGB ATX mid-tower case. I was gonna go
Good.
with the height case that has the nice screen, like the nice LED screen, but I kind of opted out for it because that one actually didn't come with fans, so I would have to purchase fans on top of that for the power supply.
Okay. All right. Fans are not the worst thing in the world to install. Okay.
We have a Supernova G6 850 watt gold
This is
certified
fine.
fully modular
All right,
ATX card.
fine.
I heard that
850.
EVGA is good. I
Yes.
currently have a Corsair, which is
Also
not bad
good.
at all, but still, upgrades, people. The grand total of
More like a
everything,
side
it
grade,
says
depending how
it
big
was
your last one.
2,500. My goal with this computer is to make everything look nice, tidy. Do you think I can stream 3D stuff and games in a better graphic quality? I'm assuming yes.
Probably, yeah. If it's going from 2016 to... Wait a second. Last PC built was 2016, but you have a 3070 Ti in there? Okay, yeah, that's fair. I guess. That's fair.
So what do we start with first? The motherboard?
Yeah,
Motherboard.
you can start with the motherboard, and then you can get the CPU in there.
I wonder if if Hazumi's help is much better than Toma's help. I know it's gonna be a lot better than Vettel's help.
And the RAM and all that.
I know I saw in the Linus tips that he said to hold it from like metal parts.
Just on the edge.
I'm holding it from the bottom too, like a waitress.
That's fine for
I'm
now.
so scared.
You're doing fine. Don't be scared.
One done. AM5 is pretty much the same as Intel LGA socket.
Intel LGA socket, but I have no idea what that means.
The socket on the motherboard has a bunch of little pins. You don't want to damage those.
Oh, yes.
On the motherboard there, you see the metal patch.
This thing, right? Yeah.
So pull that guy out and
What?
Come on.
Oh, I had to
You
push
did-
it down a little bit. Okay.
down. Yeah, sorry, yeah.
point it upward.
So now, basically, you're gonna be dropping the CPU onto those pins there. There should be a little arrow.
Yes.
And there's an arrow on that socket there. You're gonna want to line those up. Slowly put
Oh,
it straight
thank you,
down.
Vapor. I hope you enjoy some food. You got it?
I think I did.
Let's go!
Okay, so now you're gonna basically reverse what you did. So push that bit back down on top.
Why does it
And
sound like it's breaking?
That's fine.
It takes a little bit of force.
There you go. And
You
it
should
should...
that plastic. Awesome,
That's
you did
fine.
it.
Let's go!
Wow, that was actually a lot less painful than I thought it'd be.
Yeah!
So now we can get the RAM.
I have to put them in a pattern, and I know they have to be away from the DPU. It's the second and fourth?
Like
Okay.
it rotates kind of outwards.
Oh shit, I'm like sweating. So, which way should my RAM be facing?
It only will go one way.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's notches on
I
there.
can't tell. Wait, does this even fit?
It should fit. Yeah, like that, exactly.
Yeah,
What the f? It's not clicking.
look, sometimes it won't click, but putting in the RAM, building a PC is lots of pushing and clicking.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you
Got
did?
one side.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Matching timings, matching. Go!
I did it. So it's not gonna take like 8 hours. Okay, I don't like how you guys didn't reassure me that it's not gonna take 8 hours.
Oh.
There's like a metal cover,
Oh.
set metal cover.
Yeah, so take off the Lightning Gen 5. Just to be clear,
Why do you...
yeah, like screwdriver. Okay.
Pull it up a little bit so it's angled. Was it push in a little bit more?
Oh, yep, got it now.
I think we're pretty set for the motherboard for now.
All right, chat. This is a big boy.
All right.
Kinda girthy. Check this
It's fine.
No,
This case is...
literally.
Comes with 7 f***ing
I like how the aquarium case style has become the current in right now. Like like how's the word? It's in vogue at the moment. It's like everyone's like going for that style. And you can get a lot of good budget, ones like that now.
fans.
Look at all these fans, guys. I think this was what, like 160?
It was, at least when you got it, I swear it was like $100.
Maybe.
We can pull the panels off. You see on the back of the case, there's like some little thumb screws that you can.
Oh yeah, these ones, yeah.
Put those in a safe spot.
I'm doing that That one meme where the guy's just like standing there, like looking around.
Just looking around. You want to grab the power supply. This is a modular power supply, so you decide which cables you want.
Wait, so when that happens, like why am I allowed to just plug it in somewhere else? Like, is it not going to affect the power or anything?
It's not that you're plugging it somewhere else. It's just that you just have the right power cables for what you need.
Oh, okay.
Put up the bags with those cables in it too.
Which cable?
Basically, it's better for. Basically, a modular power supply is best for tidiness, and you don't use extra cables that you don't need.
There's so many.
And we're gonna want to look for CPU power. So that's gonna be 8-pin. One end is split in 4 and 4.
Yeah, that's fair. I'm going to give him that one.
So we can put the power supply in. We're gonna want to have it so that the fan faces towards the outside.
Damn, this is heavy.
You're going from the other side.
Going from the other side?
Yes.
Like from the back? Oh, so cables inside the PC?
Yeah. So the cables go inside. Yep. And then the fan faces to your left, out. So don't shove them through that hole. Don't shove them through the hole.
What? Wait, I'm confused.
Leave the cables, they can just be hanging.
Looks great so far.
You know, the worst part about trying to verbally tell someone building a PC is it's like performing surgery over the phone.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. I have good teachers.
Is that her own body pillow on her bed?
Oh yeah, do you see it?
Said narcissistic, no?
No?
I really
I'd have a
thought that I was
body
gonna
pillow.
break the CPU, and then I was just gonna have to end the stream.
It's really not that hard. I think you're doing great, so.
Thank you.
Let's put the motherboard in. So if you want to take the case and
Rotate it.
Wait, like
That side.
like turn it
That side.
over?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Have the open part facing.
Fart?
Fart?
Open fart facing up. It's okay with all the cords.
Don't like
Fart?
smash it onto the table, but it'll be fine.
Smash?
Anxiety watching, bro. It's giving me anxiety doing.
What you do is you kind of slide it in.
Oh God. Okay.
Come on.
Oh dear God. Okay. I am scared.
Want to pull that black case. So you will need that box of screws that came with the case.
Okay. It was like sliding around, like under. Is that
That's
okay
fine.
or?
Yeah, I mean it's fine.
Let's
You
put
should
them
be
on.
okay.
What do you mean hours of screwing? You know, I like out right now. The fastest I can build a PC with minimum parts is like 30 minutes now.
Oh my God, dude, I actually feel like an old person right now. I'm like using my camera.
Oh
and,
my
like,
God.
zooming in. Oh my God, I'm so embarrassed.
Oh
Okay.
my
The
God.
way this is taking the longest, I could like see the sweat forming on my hands.
Just be sure it doesn't drip onto the mic.
No, I don't sweat that much.
Alright, I'm just saying. You sound like you're sweating buckets and shit.
Next.
All right, so you're gonna want to get the radiator out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that radiator tubes to the front, and then the fans are gonna be facing to your right. So basically, it's gonna sit up at the top of the case.
Oh, at the very top?
There should be screw holes that you're gonna line up.
What? There's screw holes, but they're on like, oh, this top right here. Okay, I found the screws.
More screwing, yep. PC building is lots of pushing, clicking, and screwing.
Could I take off the plastic?
Don't touch that gray stuff. So you should be able to put it down like those. So those holes, they should line up with the standoffs on the CPU.
Wait, so what was the point of the thermal paste if it's not gonna touch the CPU?
It is.
Oh, it is? Oh.
And then there should be
Wow.
those 4 little screws, or get all 4 of them on there, and then you can kind of go around and tighten them.
Next.
Yeah, I mean, we can throw the graphics card in.
So
Now
we're
it's
just
time for the
CPU.
fun part of
Yeah, we're just-
clean up your desk.
Clean up my desk?
You're so upset.
What the f do you mean? I was like offended.
Basically, you need to take that the little cover in the back there.
The one with a bunch of screws?
Yeah.
Chat, we're almost done.
Yeah, that cover should come off.
They're doing okay so far,
Oh,
actually.
you're right. Oh, okay.
And so you should be able to pull that little metal piece out.
Honestly, that graphics card is slim. compared to
It's not that.
videos.
Yeah, it's really not that.
I am
big.
shocked how nicely slim it is.
Just how. Damn!
Yeah.
Oh wow! Wait, this is
MS
tiny. That's true.
Let's go. Look at that.
Oh,
She drops it.
has dragons on it. It's kind of weird.
That's
Yeah.
Wait, which one is it?
that's a good-sized card.
No, this way.
So, yep, that way, yep.
Wait, do I push down?
Yep, that little tab should click when you get it all the way in. It's fine.
Oh, okay, I clicked.
Yeah, I think you got it. Perfect. And then you can just put those screws in. 12-pin high power is just like
Wait, are you talking about like the
the
plug?
graphics card power. Yeah, they had like a whole thing where they were melting.
What? I heard a click. Is that good?
Look at the connector, make sure it's seated all the way in.
Moment of truth.
Try busting the bar, but see what happens.
I'm surprised she got the front I/O cables in to do that. Yo, she did it.
Wait, none of the fans are spinning.
We could fix that in just a sec. That can be fixed in just.
god, that scared me.
That can be fixed.
But now what? Oh, it's on.
Yeah, so we got post. Okay, sick. Wait, got post.
Oh wait, the monitor's on?
Yeah. We did it! Non-believers, you're
Holy shit! A VTuber can build a PC. It's kind of ironic coming from me.
dead to me. Who didn't believe you're banned? Thank you guys
I'm
so
banned.
much. You are literally the reason why this is working. Holy.
Gotcha.
I am really happy actually. The fact that we didn't get any issues and having to redo it. Goodbye.
Anything? Yeah, go ahead. Go watch Hazumi. Hazumi's been... Yeah. I'm just shocked that they did it. Almost no real issues besides the where the fuck does this go issues. Like, they didn't break anything. Like, yes, 6 hours is still a long time. But, you know, hey, not too bad. Alright. And if my reaction does end up on YouTube, the original video will be linked in the description and pinned in the comments.
That platinum chain with them diamonds in it? Where'd you get that Magnum Benz with them windows tinted? Who them girls you be with when you be riding through? Man, I ain't got nothing to prove. I pay my dues, breaking the rules and shake fools while I'm taking the cruise. Tell me who's your weed man and how do you smoke so good? You's a superstar, boy. Why you still up in the hood? What in the world is in that bag? What you got in that bag? A couple of cans of whoop ass. You did a good ass job of just eyeing me, spying me. I got my swing Glock 40. Cock back. Me and my homie. So drop that. And on 20. With the top back. So much money. You can't Man, that car don't come out until next year. Where in the fuck did you get it? That's 80,000 bucks gone. Where in the fuck did you spend it? You must have eyes on your back, cause you got